Now we will see another method to integrate a function by parts. Okay, so first of all we have to check if it is integration by parts or not. So we have here 3x square as one function for which we can use the rule of integration of x to the power n, and here for cosine we can use the rule of cosine of ax plus b, x power 1. So here the power is 1. So it means yes, for both the cases we have the direct rule of integration. So it is a function of integration by parts. Now we have studied the method in previous videos where we have to select u and dv and then we substitute it in this formula and get the final answer. Now another way is we select one function for differentiation and another function for integration. Now this method is applicable only in the cases then when one of the two function under multiplication is algebraic function, means it is a polynomial, because the requirement of this method is we should have a function in differentiation such that after certain derivatives it will give you value 0. That is possible only in the case of algebraic function or a polynomial. So in this case we select this function 3x square for differentiation and the remaining function, the second function, for integration. Okay, now let's find the derivative of this term until we reach to 0. So derivative of 3x square is 6x. What is the derivative of 6x? It's 6. Derivative again 0. So we reach to the 0, we have to stop. So what we did, we differentiated 3 times. Now with this function we have to integrate it 3 times. Same number of times we find the derivative. So for cosine, what is the integration of cosine? It is sine x plus 1. What is integration of sine? It is minus cosine x plus 1. What is integration of cosine? Minus is same. Integration of cosine is sine x plus 1. Okay, once this thing is done, it comes to the writing down the value of integral. Okay, so for that we have to write, we start with the positive sign for the first term, and as we move to the next term we change the sign. So if it is plus, it reaches to minus. In going to the next term it will become plus again, and when we go to the next term it will become minus again, and then multiply the terms in cross. Okay, so like 6 multiplied by minus 6. So it is multiplication of these two terms. Now comes the writing part, the value of integration. Value of integral 3x square cosine of x plus 1 dx. This is equal to, now we have 3 arrows. It means this expression will be having 3 terms. And how do we write? Arrow means we are multiplying these 2 terms. So 3x square, the sign is positive. Here sine x plus 1, the sign is positive, plus. Plus plus gives you plus. So let's multiply. 3x square sine x plus 1. So first arrow done. Now for second arrow, what is the sign here? Minus. What is the sign here in this term? Minus. So minus minus become plus. Now multiply the term 6x with cosine x plus 1. So 6x cos x plus 1. Okay, so the second arrow done as well. Now the third one. So for this one, here the sign is plus, here the sign is minus. Plus and minus gives us minus. Let's multiply. 6 sine of x plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. So we covered all 3 arrows. So this is the value of integration by parts for this term. Okay, so you can use the regular UDV method, but this is an optional method which is easy